Gap Good Rewards Card Review 2025 Worth it or leave it. If you're a fan of Gap, Banana Republic, or Old Navy, you've probably wondered whether the Gap Good Rewards Card is worth it in 2025. With so many retail and credit card options out there, it's easy to assume all store cards are the same, but the truth is, this card has unique features, rewards, and pitfalls that can significantly impact your shopping experience if you know how to use it correctly. Most people get this wrong by only looking at the discounts at checkout, but there's more to consider when evaluating whether it's worth keeping or passing on. Let's start with the basics. The Gap Good Rewards Card is a retail credit card offered through Synchrony Bank. It's primarily aimed at shoppers who frequently purchase apparel and accessories at Gap, Banana Republic, Old Navy, and Athleta. Unlike general cashback or travel credit cards, the Gap Good Rewards Card focuses on store rewards, exclusive promotions, and special financing options. Understanding how these features work in 2025 is essential to maximizing the card's value. First, the rewards structure. The card offers 5% back in Gap Good Rewards points on purchases at Gap, Old Navy, Banana Republic, and Athleta and 1 point per dollar spent everywhere else. Many users get this wrong, assuming that all spending earns 5%, but it's limited to the participating stores. These points accumulate in your account and can be redeemed for dollar-for-dollar discounts on future purchases. For example, 100 points usually equate to $1 off, so if you earn 500 points from a shopping trip, you've essentially saved $5 on your next purchase. This is where strategic use becomes critical. Stacking points with ongoing sales can maximize your savings. One of the surprising truths about the Gap Good Rewards Card is its exclusive offers and early access promotions. Cardholders frequently get extra discounts during seasonal sales such as an additional 10-20% off. Most shoppers overlook this, but timing your purchases to coincide with these cardholder exclusive sales can increase your effective rewards rate far beyond the base 5%. For example, if Banana Republic offers a 40% sale and you use the card, you can combine the discount with points redemption, effectively saving 45% or more on select items. Let's talk about special financing options. The Gap Good Rewards Card allows qualifying purchases of $150 or more to be financed over 6 months with no interest provided payments are made on time. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's the same as a regular purchase, but using this feature strategically can help manage cash flow for big seasonal purchases like winter coats or back-to-school shopping. It's crucial, however, to pay attention to the fine print. Missing a payment or carrying a balance past the promotional period can trigger retroactive interest, which significantly reduces the value of the financing. In terms of fees, the Gap Good Rewards Card has no annual fee which makes it low risk for frequent shoppers. Standard APR range from *26% to 29.99%*, so carrying a balance can be costly. Most people underestimate how quickly high APR eat into the value of rewards points, so the card is best suited for those who pay off their balance each month. Unlike some other retail cards, the Gap Good Rewards Card does not charge foreign transaction fees but it's primarily intended for domestic shopping. Now, let's examine the pros and cons to give a clear picture. Pros: earn 5% back in points at Gap, Old Navy, Banana Republic, and Athleta. Redeem points for dollar discounts, early access and exclusive promotions for cardholders, special financing on purchases over $150, no annual fee. Synchrony Bank's online account management makes tracking rewards easy. Cons: high APR if you carry a balance. Rewards are mostly limited to Gap family stores. Points expire if the account becomes inactive for a certain period. Limited value for non-store purchases. Who should consider this card? Frequent shoppers at Gap, Banana Republic, Old Navy, and Athleta. People who want to maximize rewards through strategic shopping and promotions. Customers interested in special financing options. For larger purchases. Individuals who pay off balances monthly to avoid high interest fees, who might want to skip it. Shoppers who rarely visit Gap family stores, anyone carrying a balance and risking high app, or people looking for general cashback or travel rewards that extend beyond retail. Let's break down a real world example. Suppose you spend $400 monthly across these stores. At 5% back, that's 20 points per dollar accumulating roughly 2,000 points per month redeemed as dollars off. You'll save $20 monthly, which adds up to $240 annually. Combine that with seasonal promotions, special financing, and exclusive deals, and the value can increase significantly. This calculation highlights how regular, strategic use can make a store card competitive with more general rewards cards, but only if you use it as intended. The card also supports mobile and digital integration. Through Synchrony Bank's mobile app, you can track points, set up alerts for promotions, and make payments easily. Most people get this wrong by not utilizing the app, which can lead to missed opportunities for maximizing rewards. Setting reminders for point redemption or checking for early access sales can boost the overall value of the card. A subtle yet valuable feature in 2025 is the Gap Good Rewards program which sometimes offers bonus points on specific product categories like activewear or home goods. If you pay attention to these rotating promotions, you can earn extra points on items you were going to buy anyway. For example, if Old Navy is offering double points on kids' clothing and you buy school outfits, you're essentially doubling your reward rate for that category. Now, a few tips on maximizing your rewards. 1. Stack rewards with sales. Use the card during in-store or online promotions for additional discounts. 2. Redeem points strategically. Wait until you have enough points to offset higher-priced items, maximizing the dollar-for-dollar benefit. 3. Use special financing wisely. Only take advantage of interest-free offers if you can pay within the promotional period. 4. Monitor point expiration. Keep an eye on your account to ensure points don't expire due to inactivity. 5. Combine online and in-store shopping. Many promotions apply to both channels, so check before buying to ensure you're getting the maximum rewards. Security is another important consideration. The Gap Good Rewards card comes with zero liability protection for unauthorized purchases. Your online account allows you to track transactions in real time, so suspicious activity can be flagged immediately. In a 2025 context, this digital oversight is essential, especially if multiple family members or employees are using the card for purchases. In conclusion, the Gap Good Rewards card in 2025 is worth it for frequent Gap family store shoppers who use the card strategically, pay balances in full, and take advantage of exclusive promotions and financing offers. It's not a high-end cashback or travel rewards card, but it shines in its intended niche. Providing consistent, easy-to-use rewards for apparel shopping while offering tools to maximize savings. If you shop frequently at Gap, Old Navy, Banana Republic, or Athleta and are disciplined about payments, this card can deliver meaningful value, both in points and promotions. Most people overlook the long-term benefit of stacking promotions and strategically redeeming points, but those who do can save hundreds of dollars annually, a significant contribution for families, students, or anyone with recurring apparel needs. So, is the Gap Good Rewards card worth it or leave it? For the right shopper, absolutely worth it. For the occasional visitor or those carrying balances, probably leave it. Understanding your spending habits, taking advantage of seasonal promotions, and paying attention to financing terms will determine whether this card truly benefits you. If this review helped clarify whether the Gap Good Rewards card is right for you in 2025, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Well, continue sharing in-depth credit card reviews, reward strategies, and smart shopping tips to help you make the most of your money.